Imagine stepping into a world where old-world charm meets modern luxury, where every bedroom whispers of warmth, character, and the romance of Spain's rich architectural history. Rustic Spanish Hacienda bedrooms are the perfect marriage of timeless design and understated elegance, offering a serene sanctuary inspired by centuries-old craftsmanship. With their earthy tones, natural materials, and enchanting details, these bedrooms invite you to relax and unwind in spaces that are as inviting as they are beautiful. Let's explore 5 unique designs that capture the essence of rustic luxury, each crafted to inspire and transport you to a world of hacienda elegance. The colonial terracotta luxury bedroom style blends the rustic charm of Spanish haciendas with the sophistication of colonial architecture. Rich terracotta tiles anchor the room, providing a warm and earthy foundation. These floors are complemented by elegant, dark wood furniture, giving the space a refined yet inviting feel. The combination of earthy textures and deep wood tones creates an atmosphere of warmth and luxury. High beam ceilings are a hallmark of this design, emphasizing the grandeur of colonial influence while maintaining a cozy, rustic vibe. The wooden beams, often left exposed, bring a sense of history and craftsmanship to the room. The balance between luxury and simplicity is evident in the intricate carvings and details that adorn the furniture, from ornately designed bed frames to beautifully crafted dressers. Lighting plays a key role in creating a welcoming ambiance. Soft, warm lights, often in the form of wrought iron lanterns or chandeliers, cast a gentle glow over the space, enhancing the room's rich textures. The terracotta tiles, in particular, come alive under this warm light, reflecting the deep, earthy tones throughout the space and creating a comfortable, intimate atmosphere. Color is another crucial element in the colonial terracotta luxury style. Deep, warm hues like rust, ochre, and dark browns are often accented with rich jewel tones, adding a layer of opulence. Velvet pillows, plush throws, and richly textured rugs bring a tactile element that contrasts beautifully with the stone and wood surfaces, elevating the room from rustic to luxurious. Despite its grandeur, the room retains a grounded feel, rooted in the rustic charm of Spanish design. The blend of heavy wood, terracotta, and traditional Spanish elements ensures that the space never feels too formal or stiff. Instead, it offers a luxurious escape that remains inviting and approachable, striking a perfect balance between opulence and comfort. The classic courtyard hacienda bedroom is defined by its connection to outdoor spaces, where rustic elegance meets nature's tranquility. Bedrooms in this style often open onto a sun-filled courtyard, blending indoor comfort with the beauty of the outdoors. The natural elements, such as terracotta tiles and wooden beams, create a grounded, organic feel, making the room feel like a natural extension of the landscape. Earthy terracotta, beige, and deep brown tones dominate the palette, perfectly complemented by the textures of rough stucco walls and smooth wooden furniture. These colors and materials work together to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The light from the courtyard enhances these elements, casting soft, natural shadows that bring the room to life. Handcrafted details are essential in this style, with wrought iron bed frames, lanterns, and ornate mirrors providing a touch of traditional craftsmanship. These rustic metal elements add character to the room, balancing the softness of textiles like embroidered cushions and woven rugs. The combination of hard and soft textures gives the space a well-rounded, inviting feel. The iconic arched doorways and windows create an elegant focal point in the room. These architectural features enhance the visual flow and allow sunlight and breezes to filter in from the courtyard. The arches add a timeless charm, reflecting the historical influence of Spanish hacienda design while keeping the space open and airy. Natural light plays a key role in the mood of the classic courtyard hacienda bedroom. The sunlight streaming in from the courtyard highlights the warm, earthy tones and accentuates the handmade details throughout the room. This blend of light and material creates a serene, peaceful atmosphere perfect for rest and relaxation. The whitewashed elegance style is a clean and serene take on the rustic hacienda bedroom, offering a sense of openness and lightness. In this design, whitewashed stucco walls dominate the space, creating a fresh, airy feel. These smooth surfaces reflect natural light, making the room feel larger and brighter while still maintaining the grounded essence of rustic Spanish design. Wooden beams, left in their natural state, provide a rustic contrast to the white walls. These beams add texture and warmth, preventing the space from feeling too stark or minimalist. The wood's natural grain and warm tones break up the expansiveness of the whitewashed surfaces, offering a balanced interplay between rustic and refined elements. In terms of furnishings, the whitewashed elegance style favors simplicity. The furniture is often minimal, with clean lines and natural materials like wood and stone. This pared-back approach allows the room's architecture to shine, with arched windows and doorways creating focal points that draw the eye. The simplicity of the design keeps the space feeling peaceful and uncluttered, perfect for relaxation. The color palette is predominantly neutral, with shades of white, cream, and beige creating a soothing backdrop. Accents of natural wood and occasional touches of soft greenery add warmth and prevent the space from feeling too cold or clinical. These subtle pops of color bring life to the room, enhancing its connection to nature. Lighting in a whitewashed elegance bedroom is soft and natural. Sunlight streaming in through large arched windows highlights the simplicity and beauty of the space. In the evening, subtle, warm lighting, such as wall sconces or minimalist chandeliers, adds to the room's tranquil atmosphere, keeping the mood calm and serene. The old world wooden beams. Bedroom style embraces the historical charm of rustic Spanish haciendas, bringing the space a sense of warmth and authenticity. Exposed wooden beams are the centerpiece of this design, running across high ceilings and adding a feeling of timeless craftsmanship. The beams, rich in natural wood grain and deep, earthy tones, give the room an immediate sense of history and strength. Natural materials like stone, wood, and stucco add to the rustic charm. Thick stone walls and rough-hewn wood create an inviting and sturdy environment, while the simplicity of the materials ensures that the room feels cozy and grounded. The rustic textures are complemented by handcrafted details, such as wrought iron bed frames and hand-carved wooden furniture, bringing artisanal quality to the space. The color palette for old world wooden beams is a mix of deep, warm tones, think rich browns, ochres, and burnt oranges. These earthy colors work harmoniously with the natural wood elements, creating a cozy, enveloping atmosphere. The warmth of the colors and textures is further enhanced by soft, ambient lighting, which casts gentle shadows on the stone and wood surfaces, adding depth and dimension to the room. Textiles play an important role in softening the rustic features of the room. Hand-woven blankets, embroidered cushions, and plush rugs bring warmth and comfort, balancing the ruggedness of the wooden beams and stone walls. These soft touches add layers of texture and comfort, creating a space that feels both luxurious and lived in. Another key feature of hacienda design is arched doorways and windows, which add to the room's old-world charm. These architectural details provide elegance and a sense of grandeur while also allowing natural light to filter into the room. The combination of natural light and rustic materials creates a serene, timeless atmosphere, making the room feel like a retreat from the modern world. The Mediterranean Moorish fusion style is a captivating blend of rustic Spanish Hacienda design and Moorish influences, creating a bedroom that feels exotic yet deeply rooted in tradition. This style thrives on the interplay of intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and natural materials, bringing a sense of cultural richness to the space. Stucco walls provide a neutral backdrop, allowing the bold, ornate tilework and architectural details to take center stage. In these bedrooms, the influence of Moorish design is most evident in the arches, latticework, and geometric patterns that adorn the windows and doorways. These elements add a sense of mystery and intricacy to the room, transforming it into a luxurious retreat. Wrought iron and carved wood further enhance the room's historical charm, while the blend of textures creates depth and visual interest. The color palette is vibrant and bold, with deep blues, terracotta, and warm yellows combining to evoke the Mediterranean sun and sea. These colors are often balanced by earthy tones of brown and cream, grounding the more ornate features of the room. The contrast between bright colors and neutral tones creates a dynamic, energizing atmosphere while still maintaining a sense of warmth and comfort. Lighting in a Mediterranean Moorish fusion bedroom is soft and ambient, often coming from Moroccan-inspired lanterns or intricately designed chandeliers. These light fixtures cast beautiful patterns on the walls, enhancing the exotic feel of the space. The lighting, combined with the room's rich textures and patterns, creates an inviting, intimate environment that feels like a world away from modern life. Textiles in this style are equally rich, with embroidered cushions, patterned rugs, and detailed throws adding softness and luxury to the room. The fabrics often have deep, jewel-toned hues, further emphasizing the fusion of Spanish and Moorish influences. These textiles bring warmth and comfort and tie the room together, enhancing its overall theme of cultural richness. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,